You're too kind. No, really, you're being too kind and it's affecting your performance data. Let's talk about leniency bias. Some managers give everyone high marks, even if they don't deserve it. And while it's great that our managers care about everyone's feelings, the reality is that some of our employees truly do outperform each other. Here's one simple way to reduce the effects of leniency bias in your organization. Try a rating scale like this. With this scale, managers can give positive feedback, like rating someone as above average without giving top marks to everyone. This can be really helpful for managers who want to give positive feedback to their employees, and it helps you collect more objective data. Want to run more objective evaluations? Culture Amp can help you reduce bias and run fair performance reviews. Create evaluation templates to ensure consistency across your organization. You can customize your templates to fit the needs of different teams. See how else Culture Amp can help you build a high-performance work culture with continuous feedback, goal tracking, and much more. Visit the link in the description to watch a video.